What's going on, YouTube? So I'm out here at the wifey's car. So I have a little thing I have to say first. She comes up to me and she was like, I've got this message on my cluster panel and I can't get it to go away. I'm like, okay, what is it saying? She was like, need to check a rear lamp turn signal. I'm like, all right. So we go out to the car. I have her turn on her turn signal, and it was her right rear one that was out. I started laughing. She goes, what are you laughing about? I was like, when did you even start using your turn signal? And she was like, that's not the point. I want this message off my cluster. I was like, okay, we'll take care of it. So went out, got the bulbs according to what the auto parts store says that the size is supposed to be. So I've got them. Hopefully it is the right ones, but we're about to dig into this and change it out so she can have that message error gone off of her vehicle. Go ahead. Alright, so back here into the trunk area, got this little cover. And it's just a little pinch it off to the side, pull it out. So then we got everything back here. Got a little red clip on the wiring harness. Need to pull that back. Once you get it pulled back, then there's that tab that it was holding. Push that tab in and pull. Got that out of the way. So this little plastic screw, it's got a spring on it. Gotta unloosen it. And pull it out. And that is literally all that you need back here. And once you get all that taken care of from inside, then you literally, one-handed, can just grab this lamp and just pull it straight on out. And so now we got 4 tabs that are on the back that we have to be careful because they're plastic. I got to get these 4 tabs. Once you get those 4 tabs, then you literally just grab this plastic housing, pull it straight out. You got a rubber seal that goes around, and then you got wire on the inside. Just be careful when you pull that out. And then there's the bulb. You're just gonna twist it. Pull it out. Yeah, 7506. That is what they said it was. So I guess the auto store was correct for once. Yep. Just line it back up, get the new bulb, push it down in, twist it, and there we go. Got the new bulb, and then just kind of watch the wires and pop everything back in. And then over here on the side of the vehicle, you got a little tab right there, a little slot. You're just gonna slide it right on in, and then there she is.
All right.
Grab the plastic screw, and then there's a hole. You're gonna slide it right on in, and then just start tightening it up. And I got my other hand on the lamp housing. That feels pretty tight, so I guess we're good with the screw. Then it's just to grab the wire, pop it back into place, slide that clip back in, and then the cover itself, just squeeze it and pop it back in. Hopefully that right there, it's going to take care of her message error, so she's not aggravating me that her cluster is yelling at her. But it's a 2013 Volkswagen Passat TDI SE. Hit that like button, subscribe, and I appreciate it.